Welcome to our Graphing Complex Numbers video. Today we'll be able to graph expressions involving complex numbers. Well, remember that the complex plane is split up into two axes, the real axis, which is our horizontal axis, and the imaginary axis, which is our vertical axis. Also remember that any complex number can be written in the form a plus bi, where I it's the square root of -1, or I squared is simply -1. Now take a look at 5i. 5i can be written as 0 plus 5i. The reason for me to rewrite it in this fashion is to mimic the actual format of a complex number. Therefore, we're going to go ahead and plot our order pair 0, 5. The reason for that is that we have 0 units in the real axis and 5 units in the imaginary axis. So if you go here to your plane, we're going to start at 0 in terms of the horizontal axis, and we're going to go 5 units up so we can plot our number there. Notice if we go by ones here, that will be our number 5i. So let's go ahead and see another example. Let's graph -3 in the complex plane. Again, any complex number is of the form a plus bi. Now notice -3 can be written as -3 plus 0i. That way we can just keep the original part or the real part. And this will give you an order pair -3, 0. So in other words, we're going to move 3 units to the left and on the real axis, and we're going to move 0 units up or down. So this is our real number -3. Let's see a couple more examples. Here we have the number -2 plus 4i. So we can go ahead and associate this one with the order pair -2, 4. We're going to move 2 units left on the real axis and 4 units up in the imaginary axis. So here's our point -2 plus 4i. Let's see one last example on graphing complex numbers. Here we have the number 1 minus 5i. In other words, we can associate this one with the order pair 1, -5. We're going to move 1 unit on the real axis and -5 units on the imaginary axis. So this is our point 1 minus 5i. Okay, so this is the complex number represented in the plane. Thank you for watching and good luck in your homework.